take a deep breath of the night while the world is just right. See behind the color to the light without using sight. You've been spinning like a dancer in the sand, never taking a stand. That's like listening to the creaking of the floors and the ticking of the hands. There's a strong wind with 100 appetites. If you listen, you hear it in the night. If you listen, seems like everybody is waiting for the word while their own thoughts go unheard. And along with all the anger and the fear, tears disappear. All we know is who we've ever been, time and again. I'm telling you, time don't matter, my friend, when your heart's in the wind. And it's a strong wind with 100 appetites. If you listen, you hear it in the night. If you listen, you can see, yeah, you can see. So sing out another song of what you see, and be what you will be. Give a listen to the water, wind, and wood, and do your neighbor some good. I know there's nothing like standing all alone, asking to be shown the unknown. But if you're thinking that your life has been paralyzed, I can see dancing in your eyes. We're dancing to a strong wind with 100 appetites. If you listen, hear it in the night. If you listen, you can see, yeah, you can see. If you listen, you hear it in the night. There's a strong wind with 100 appetites. If you listen, if you Here it comes now. So we share this place again. We're holding on so carefully as the sound of chapel chimes floats along on the country breeze. Suddenly we're here again, gentle smiles and soft bright light, here to share the prayer again, singing to the night. Now we come from many distant lands, our distant lives are so awakening, opening like flower buds, drinking in the spring. As we watch the seasons change, they move along sequentially, while every part of the universe is essentially. And so they say the story goes, moving handwrite song. We're here to share this prayer again, singing to the dawn. So we share this place again, holding on so carefully as the sound of chapel chimes